In this video, I'm going to show you how to add manual transactions in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Manual transactions are useful for tracking cash spending, transfers, or any activity that isn't automatically imported from your accounts. To add one, go to the Transactions page or open a specific account. Then click on Add Transaction. Choose whether it's a debit or credit, enter the amount, merchant name, and date, then select a category. You can also add tags or notes to keep things organized. If you're using a manual account, you'll see an option to adjust the balance. This is usually turned on by default, and it helps keep your account totals accurate. Once everything looks good, click Save, and your transaction will be added instantly. For better tracking, it's a good idea to use manual accounts for things like cash or ATM withdrawals, then record both outgoing and incoming entries when needed. You can also create rules afterward if you notice repeated manual entries, so Monarch can automate them in the future. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.